welcome back. So we did have a mix of sun and clouds as we made our way through the day today, but we did stay mainly dry. Here's a look at our Tower Cam time-lapse, the Regional West Weather Camera in Scottsbluff with those partly cloudy skies. And we have some areas of clear skies as we made our way through the evening, but cloud cover is going to be mainly the story through the overnight and through the day tomorrow. Here's a look at the high temperatures. So we made it up to 28 degrees at Scottsbluff and Alliance, lower 30s at Kimball and Sydney, and mid to upper 20s at Chadron and Gordon. So the warm spot at Torrington at 32 degrees, and of course across southeastern Wyoming into the mid-30s. Now here's a look at the temperatures across the region. Valley locations into the lower 20s until you make your way out toward Bridgeport, Oshkosh, Kimball and Sydney, mid-teens to upper teens and lower 20s at Alliance and at Gordon. So warmer air the further north you get, more clouds up in that direction. Everybody, though, has a light wind, 5 to 10 miles per hour, mainly from a southwesterly direction. So that's warming us up a bit, other than the I-80 corridor from Sydney to Kimball out toward the Cheyenne, where they do have mostly clear skies. Most everybody else right now does have partly to mostly cloudy skies across the region. That'll trap in some heat as we go through the overnight, but still, it will be seasonably cool in terms of lows. So the clouds we do have are on the far western fringe of this low pressure system now over the Great Lakes states, some rain and some snow out in that direction. High pressure to our north is in charge of our forecast. We're not really under the influence of this warmer high to our south. That's why we have that direct flow from the Arctic once again. Temperatures did stay in the 20s for most of us. Now, our next weather maker will just skirt us off to the south. Tomorrow evening or Saturday morning, another low is off the west coast, giving them a lot of rain. So as we make our way through the overnight, there's your cloud cover, lows in the low to mid-teens. And for the day tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, mainly dry during the daylight hours with highs into the mid-30s for most of us. You can see some very light rain or snow showers that might get into our forecast area, especially into our southern counties, very late tomorrow evening or into early Saturday morning. And then we start to clear out overnight, get that nice westerly wind. So starting off your Saturday, just after daybreak, near 20 degrees, and high temperatures with some sunshine will make their way into the mid-30s to even near 40 in some areas for Saturday afternoon. So this high will work its way away from us. There's that low skirting us off to the south. Not a lot of moisture until it moves off to our south and east, becomes a snowmaker in the Midwest. But we have another high pressure system coming down from Canada, so we're going to be on its cool side through most of the weekend. And then eventually, to end the weekend, it moves off to the east. We have a nice warm-up, sunshine, and a nice southerly wind. So here's a look at the weekend. Mainly a cool air mass. Some portions of our viewing area will make it into the 40s as we make our way through the weekend, maybe even near 50 early next week. But the coolest air will be off to our east. We're dry. Rain is missing us off the west coast. And that snowmaker we talked about that could just skirt us will be giving some snow over the weekend from Iowa all the way into the northeast. So we're going to stay mainly dry. Here's your forecast tonight. Partly cloudy and cool. Low temperatures mainly into the mid to upper teens. Tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy, isolated rain or snow showers into the late afternoon and evening with high temperatures into the mid to upper 30s. And then for Saturday, clearing out pretty nicely, partly cloudy to mostly sunny and seasonal with those high temperatures finally getting back to the lower 40s in Scottsbluff, upper 30s and lower 40s most everywhere else. Now, as we make our way through the day on Sunday, getting above average at 46, lots of sunshine through Monday at 47, a little breezy though, 51 on Tuesday, mostly cloudy skies. And then the cooler air works its way in, lower 40s Wednesday and Thursday. Now, Wednesday does have partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies with a chance of some rain or snow showers. And for Thursday, back to mostly sunny skies and that high of 41. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. Record heat in London, record flooding in the Midwest, wildfires, snowstorms, and hurricanes. 2022 had it all. We take a look at how changing weather patterns